Hello again. Now this is a very quick video. Just been playing around with the speed indicator on my HMV 162 gramophone using my little measuring tool. You can see we're getting about 78 RPM out of it. What I've done is I've taken off the little nut and the washer, and I've lifted up the pointer and actually just wiggled it so that it's in the middle, so it's now showing about 78 RPM. Let's get that on camera view properly there. So I should be able to put the washer and the nut back on, and hopefully it will now show much more the right sort of reading when it's running. Okay, that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe to Mr. RG Stuff.